Already have an established landline for your business, but you want to take advantage of text marketing's incredible engagement? We've got you covered with our Text to Landline feature. Text to Landline, or TTL for short, allows businesses to send and receive text messages using their existing 10-digit business phone number. Make it easier for customers and prospects to contact you by allowing them to reach out in the medium they prefer, text messaging. In fact, text continues to prove popular with customers of all age ranges who open and read new texts at a rate of 138% higher than email. Not to mention, 90% of texts are read within 30 minutes of receipt. Text enabling your landline also lets you connect with customers via two-way texting. And our text forwarding feature allows you to keep all your incoming texts in one place to easily sort queries and replies. No matter your needs, text enabling your existing 10-digit landline number opens up a new path for list growth, engagement, and sales. Never miss a message and respond to clients faster by text enabling your landline number with easy texting.